Part 3 of the top 15 things every foreign client should consider. Number 11. Leasing and property management can range from single-family homes and multi-family residences to duplexes and apartment complexes to various commercial property types. It is essential to work with an agent specializing in leasing and property management to ensure you follow all local laws and regulations. Some properties or jurisdictions may not allow short-term rentals, such as VRBO and Airbnb. Another consideration your agent can advise you on is compliance with the Americans with Disabilities Act, or ADA, a civil rights law prohibiting discrimination based on disability. Number 12. Opportunity Zones Tax Incentive is an economic development tool that allows people to invest in distressed areas. The incentive aims to spur economic development and job creation in distressed communities by providing tax benefits to investors. The City of Austin has 21 census tracts designated as Opportunity Zones. The majority of the Opportunity Zones are located east of Interstate 35. To view these designated tracts, please ask your agent for more details. Number 13. Although foreign buyers are afforded the same rights and privileges as U.S. citizens and residents, they commonly make a few mistakes. A foreign national sale or transfer of U.S. real property is subject to a 15% withholding tax of the purchase price at the time of the sale under the Foreign Investment in Real Property Tax Act, FIRPTA. Although it is an added tax to foreign nationals selling U.S. property, there are exemptions and structures that one can employ at the time of purchase to minimize FIRPTA impact. If a seller is a foreign person and the buyer fails to withhold, the buyer may be held liable for the tax. U.S. estate taxes, property insurance, rental income, and determining if a seller meets the U.S. Internal Revenue Service's substantial presence test in any given calendar year is essential to discuss with the seller's tax professional. Your agent can recommend a local certified public accountant or attorney specializing in international tax issues and help guide you. Number 14. The Substantial Presence Test, SPT, is used by the Internal Revenue Service in the United States to determine whether an individual who is not a citizen or lawful permanent resident qualifies as a resident or non-resident for tax purposes. Number 15. Before closing and completing your real estate transaction, we suggest that you plan and take the necessary steps to manage the ownership and enjoyment of your new Central Texas property. Confirm the amount of your mortgage payment, real estate taxes, property insurance, and monthly condo maintenance fees, if applicable. You may want to consider renovation costs after you own the property, as well as property management fees you may incur if leasing the property. This is a great time to reach out to your real estate professional and start your pathway to owning real estate in the United States. Thank you for joining us for the top 15 things every foreign client should consider, brought to you by the Austin Board of Realtors Global Business Alliance. Stay tuned for more information on this exciting topic.